What's up, everyone? This is Seth with the Landing Page Dudes, and today I'm going to be going into the development that we did for Steam & Go. If you watched my last video, we went over the design, our concept, and the logic of the new build. What you're looking at right now is their current product page. This is their hero product, and I'm going to show you what it looks like quickly. Now, as I mentioned in the last video, the design is very outdated, not so trustworthy, and it looks like an AliExpress listing. The brand came to us because they had one major issue, is they wanted to be able to sell this mop, but also sell all the different upsells that go with it. Their limitation was using the frequently bought together app. There were only so many combinations that they could offer, and many times they weren't able to provide a true custom solution. For example, as you can see with this mop, you're supposed to buy a water and a detergent. Now they have over 5 different waters, but using the app, they were only able to show one water. And you could also notice that the detergent is not there because they're limited. So the idea was to come to us. They wanted to brighten the design, get a new facelift, make it more trustworthy, more premium, but ultimately increase the average order value. Get customers to add as many products inside the store, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. So what you're looking at right now is the development inside the Shopify theme. As you can see, everything looks absolutely incredible. Everything you see here is 3D render. So this image you see here, we did in 3D. And before I kind of go into the logic, I'll just go down the page and show you what it looks like. As you can see here, every single accessory we did in 3D. And that was one of the major things that were missing from the original product page, is that it claims to be a 10-in-1 mop, but it didn't clearly show what was included in that mop. Now, as someone that's 35 years old and owns a home and is the perfect customer to buy this type of product, if I saw a 10-in-1 mop, the first thing I would want to know is, what do I get exactly? So the solution here was to create a 3D render for every accessory, explain what it does in a clear, simple format. As you scroll down, another pain point we tackled is, where does this mop work on? Now, we wanted to show the 5 main different surfaces, and the good thing about it is that if you do want to add more, you can literally just add a slide, add the image, and continue to add as you want. Below we have the why choose us icons, and then images of the product being used. It's quick, it's digestible, and when you view it on mobile, it looks absolutely incredible. Now, the water is the biggest upsell. So instead of having a section about buying other products, we wanted to focus on the water, and we wanted to have the subscription and the variants all in one eye shot with the ability to add to cart. And when you click on add to cart, it's going to open up a sliding cart. We don't want to take the user off this page. Below we have the FAQ. Now I'll show you what that looks like when it's live. So beginning at the top, we have the dynamic dates. Order today and arrives by March 4th. If you notice here inside of our Shopify build, we have somewhere where you can edit this information. So let's just say that it takes you 5 days or 6 days or 8 days to ship out. All you have to do is input a number here and it'll automatically update. It's such a super important widget to have near your call to action. People are in the, people are used to fast delivery. They're ordering off Amazon, they're ordering off Walmart, and they want things quickly. They're going to want to know, when do I get my products? And one of the biggest chargeback reasons on Shopify is customers not understanding your shipping policies, your shipping times. So being able to transparently show when they'll receive their order is not only going to increase your conversion rates, but also lower those chargeback rates. Now, this is where the magic happens. We added every single variant so the customer can add. And not only that is we educated them. So we say choose water. Some customers may not understand that. So here, when you hover over what's this, we explain exactly what it is. And the cool thing about it is when you click on a plus sign, you could choose if you want to get any variant and automatically add to cart. You could choose multiple waters. This way, we're really hyper focusing on average order value. As a customer comes through mobile, it's like they're going through a series of steps. I'll show you what that looks like. So on mobile, everything looks absolutely clean. It looks beautiful. It looks digestible. And as they scroll down, you can choose the water. You can choose your detergent. You can choose your mop pads. Do you want a 6-pack, a 2-packs, and everything is on subscription. That was the idea, is that we wanted to make it so that we could increase the average order value, but get people to subscribe. Below, we've used a slider to view all the different products, all the different floors, and we're really happy with how this page turned out. I want to give a huge shout out to Murillo again for coming through with these 3D renders. Not only did he do the actual accessories, but even the images you see here are done in 3D. If you guys have any questions about this build, please feel free to comment, ask us, and we'll be more than happy to show. Now again, just kind of before we end this video, I want to show you that everything in this page is fully customizable. It's dynamic. You can add more accessories, you can add more floor surfaces, you can add more images. Everything we've done is for the end user, who is the client, can go in there, they can edit everything. If they need to add more, if they need to subtract, it's all within the Shopify customizer. Have an absolutely incredible day, and I will be back again shortly with another video.